Another benchmark application, when I did do the testing, it got really improved. So in the Realme X and Max device, let's see friends whether it makes any kind of difference or not in the CPU throttling test. Same settings I'm trying to use always, so nothing has been changed. Same battery, brightness as well. Even the temperatures are kind of pretty low, 30 degrees only at this moment, nothing much high temperatures. So we're going to see friends what's happening with the temperatures again after some time. So right now the score went up to 3,63,000. Seriously, wow. Like, if you're not aware of this one, this is the all-time highest in the Realme X and Max. But the OnePlus Nord 2 went up to 3,70,000 as well. In this OnePlus Nord 2 that has got the record. But this is really huge friends. If you ask me what is the average used to be 3,20,000, 3,30,000, 3,00,000, maybe 40,000 sometimes. But 3,60,000 without even high performance mode, no high performance mode. Wow, this kind of magic with this kind of update, I can definitely say. Still, this is an only early access update only. So once after we get the stable update, the things might be slightly better, I think. That might be another thing. So right now 34 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees increased at this moment. As you can see, 4 degrees Celsius increased. 34.2, not bad. 34.2 as well. And let's see friends what will happen. Again, I'll be back after close to 5 minutes of time. Right now it's only 1 minute. After 5 minutes, we're going to check what's happening with the overall temperatures in this Realme X and Max device. And my room temperature is about close to 27-28 degrees Celsius, not bad. My room temperature. So I can be back after some time. So performance is slightly decreasing. So after 5 minutes, we can actually calculate more details. So right now, as you can see friends, exactly after 5 minutes, there is some kind of throttling happening. It's not good at all friends. As you can see, 37.6 degrees Celsius. The temperature is not increasing much high, but this kind of red color indication within 5 minutes of time, it's not that consistent. As you can see, it's not that great. So initially I did feel like the phone will be having really great performance, but later on you can see it's not that good. So don't worry about the battery percentage, don't worry, because it doesn't affect any kind of CPU throttling test results, the battery percentage and everything. It doesn't affect, because I did do the CPU throttling test in this device when the battery percentage is 20% as well. Still the graph was able to maintain normally 20% and 10% and 15% as well. It didn't affect any kind of CPU throttling. So always remove that kind of thing from your mind that if the battery is low, the performance will be decreased. No. Even at 1%, the Realme X and Max was able to play the Battlegrounds mobile game consistent 60 FPS at 1% as well. So don't think about the battery is affecting this kind of thing, not at all. So right now, these are the results which we are getting. Orange colored indication, a little bit kind of down. So I'm going to be back after 10 more minutes. Then later we'll try to discuss about the temperatures, what's happening with the device, final temperatures, what's going on. So I'm going to be back after some time. So right now, as you can see friends, the time is about close to 13 minutes, I think close to 14 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures of 37.8 degrees Celsius, and throttling is happening a lot. As you can see, it went even close to red color indication as well. So one more quick note friends, the phone has got the Realme UI 3.0 beta version. These are just trial version only, not the complete stable version. So maybe when we get the stable version, the things might be slightly different in the Realme X and Max device, so which you should definitely remember about that. So right now this test will continue only for 15 minutes. After that the test will stop, and then we'll be able to observe the difference, what's going on with the overall scores. But when compared with the before graph, you can easily see this is not great in terms of the graph. You can easily spot it on. As you can see friends, it's very close. Finally, the test has been successfully finished, and we got the CPU total up 63%. That's not great when compared with the before updates. As you can see, it's kind of really throttling happening. So it's even more worst than before. So overall, the throttling, we got the highest score, but still it cannot maintain that kind of same level of consistent performance. As you can see, even this is just only first day of using this Realme UI 3.0 anyway, and this is just a beta version. Stable version. By the time we get, as I said, maybe it might be optimized better. But right now, this is the situation regarding the Dimensity of 1200 in the Realme X and Max device. So unfortunately, this graph is slightly kind of not that great. I'm not that convinced with the graph. Let me show the before graph, how the graph used to be there before updates. This used to be the graph. Before a couple of updates. So later in the 8.20 and 8.21, it got slightly kind of fixed. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit kind of better, 8.20 and 8.21. But before it used to be like that only. But right now again, it back to normal. I mean, back to this kind of form. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick CP test results. And the temperature is increased only maximum 37.8 degrees, maybe overall 38 degrees Celsius, nothing. Apart from that, we did not see any kind of high temperatures increasing in the Realme X1 Max. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.